Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27UCDM and ROG Strix OLED XG27AQDPG gaming monitor. So friend, both monitor it comes with 27-inch OLED gaming monitor, the latest 4th generation ROG QD-OLED technology for exceptional visual and infinity contrast, as well as latest ROG OLED Anti-Flicker 2.0 technology to further minimize on-screen flickering during intense gaming. And the monitor, it's world first 27-inch 4K OLED gaming monitor with super fast 240Hz refresh rate and pixel density of 160 ppi for sharper images and clear text compared to previous generation model, and it supports Dolby Vision and HDR format and all selectable via the OSD menu. And the monitor offer extensive connectivity option including DisplayPort 2.1a, USB-A20, HDMI 2.1, USB Type-C port with 90-watt power delivery and USB hub. And the ROG Strix OLED XG27QDPG is the world's first fastest OLED monitor. This stunning display featuring a 27-inch 1440p QD OLED panel that delivers an outstanding 500 Hz refresh rate, 0.03 millisecond response time, 10-bit color depth, and 99% DCI-P3 gamut for super smooth and amazing lifelike gaming visual. And both monitor feature a new ROG OLED Care Pro technology that include neo proximity sensor that use wavelength detection to accurate measure user distance to the monitor. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.